Hi, my name is Chirag.
My name's Himanshi, and our app is called Trendy. It's an app that goes through your Instagram profile and returns how your posts and time are correlated.
So the reason we developed this app was because um, personally, like I wanted to see how my Instagram profile was doing. Like if I posted a particular time of the day, do I get more likes than at other times of the day? So that's what we try to do with our app, and our app is successfully able to tabulate this data and show it to the user in a very concise manner.
So this is our homepage. It's so you can log in. I have already logged in. This is the chart screen. So it says timing is everything, and we have our posts. So this is our profile screen. It says my name, my posts, my followers, and my following. And then we can come back to the charts and see that between 0 to 24, uh, when our posts are and how many likes they generate. And then we have our settings screen where we can log out and refresh. So if you choose to add another post, you can just refresh and the data will automatically be added to the graph.
So how the entire application works is on logging in, your credentials are sent to Instagram's web API. Instagram then sends you a particular access token, which we use for making GET requests through the application on the phone. Then, after getting the data from Instagram's web API, we save it using async storage since we're using React Native as our platform for development. We retrieve this data constantly to display stuff on the charts because we don't want to have all the components rendered all the time. And yeah, that's how our data flows throughout our application and the web API. So because we use React Native, not only can our app work on Android, but it also works on iOS. So if we click on login, it yeah, it takes you to the settings screen where you have an option to log in. Um, since it already remembers my username, I can just say continue as my previous account, and we can see that it pulls up a default profile photo if you haven't uploaded a photo already on your account, and we can see posts, and yeah, that's how our app works.
So a few things that we can change about our app is how the likes and the hours of posts that are labeled on our graph are somewhat on the edge of the screen. And even though our chart screen is scrollable, maybe we can work on how the user interface is so it looks a bit cleaner. We had initially started off with the font that resembled the Instagram font, but it didn't work for both Android and Apple and iOS. So we can probably work on that, and maybe we can add an additional graphs about locations and maybe connect it to what the trendiest tags are and display that on a map. Um, that's about it. And the technical problems we faced probably is that my laptop broke just before our final project started. So both of us worked on both the front end and the back end of our app because we were using the same computer. And yeah, that's about it. That's our app, Trendy.
Hope you like it.